And go. Good cat.
Thank you. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ready for feet, say go.
1, 2, 3, go.
I think I'm fine.
Ready, 3, 4, 3, go.
Oh.
I think I'm coming down sick.
3, 4, 3, go.
I think I've
Oh, God.
Good cat.
Ready, 3, 4, 3, go.
I got it. Ready for feet, say go. Oh, I got it. Ready for feet,
You're in it to me.
Ready for feet, say go. Good cat.
Oh.
You can do it.
Alright, now Papa's in the game.
Ready for
1,
feet, say
2,
go.
3.
What is? Ready for feet,
Yes.
say go.
Careful.
We're bowling now.
Say go.
Hey, you're in my lane.
Ready for feet, say go.
Ready, go.
I got it. Ready for feet, say go.
Ready, go.
Nice,
Nice
catch.
catch.
Ready for feet, say go.
I got it.
I just want the ball.
Ready, go.
Ready for feet, say go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ready for feet, say go. I got cat.
Thank you. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Ready for feet, say go. Oh. You for feet, say. Ready for feet, say go.
He is a good volleyball player. I hope it doesn't hit my Sensi, you guys.
I'm more worried about your cake chopper in there.
Toss it over here, Parker.
Ready for feet,
Give
say
it to
go.
Grandma.
Well, it's what you guys do, not him. Okay? Because he's the one, he doesn't.
Well, if he's the last one to touch it, it's his fault.
Get it.
But he won't. He will hit.
Over here.
Feet, say go.
He's going to be a
Here,
volleyball
Aunt
player.
Kelly.
You know? Uh-oh,
Hey,
Kelly.
you're throwing right at the candle.
there.
Ready for feet, say go. Yeah, I got it.
Right here.
Feet, say
Nice catch.
Ready for feet, say go.